Part 8. It is Sunday, May 7th, 2023. This is coming along here. It's actually almost done. I added some outlining around the letters and the words here, like with pencil, and same thing with all the text here. And I may go over some of these images on the bottom outline, like with ink. I haven't decided yet. And or I may color them in, but I may just leave them like that. Okay, to be continued. If I decide it's done, then the next video footage will be of the after I frame it. Thanks for your input. Prime Minister Mazel Yaramovich on the left there. Blanche de Boyd on the right there, like the yellow and green. Prime Minister Mazel, Your Excellency, good to see you. And we have Berkey Workey Museum Chief Curator Chi on the right here, and His Royal Highness Prince Sippila, Sippy for short nickname, on the left. Thank you for your input. I appreciate everybody's input. Guys they get camera shy and they get awfully quiet. When I'm over a few feet away, sometimes they're singing away.